I did not like the incident that happened last night here. You have no right to beat your wife. You have no right.
Papa, Ihoma is fond of causing confusion in this house. Must she fight Mbosolu only because she used her hot water?
And why did Mbosolu not replace the water after using it? Why?
I know you will support her because you always support her in everything she does in this house. Papa, but let me tell you the truth, I don't like it. I don't like it. Ihoma is my wife. Allow me to handle it the way I want.
And I will not allow you my treater in my own house. Hey, come on. Where is now your son? Now your stupid son? It's not my honey. It's not my honey. Where is he? My in-laws, please sit down first. Let us talk about it. Sit down.
Chimeze must come out and tell us why he beat our sister.
We are no longer in-laws. We are now outlaws. Tell him to fall out now. Because if I go inside and bring him out myself, Moyoko. Biko Nunu. You will not be no. We're looking at Let us discuss it. Please.
Oga Patrick, we are only respecting your grey hair.
If he doesn't come out on his own, what's here?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I was walking. He should come out. Well, no, why you are.
You're here sleeping when there is a big trouble outside.
Trouble? How?
Ihoma's brothers are here. They are threatening fire and brimstone. They say they're going to kill your brother and you're here sleeping.
Where are they?
Outside!
Hey, Ihoma will pay for this after this time.
Where are you going?
Where's there? I'm coming. Ihoma.
Yes, go. Go and show them that you're a man. Half man. Hey! Can you imagine the nonsense? I will be here waiting for the scores. Kaki ko go. Why are you hating Kakoroban? Chim. How am I? Hi! I'm waiting up.
Okay? For the very last time, tell that your stupid son to come out here. Tell him to come out here. Please, my in-laws, calm down.
Why don't you calm down? They think we are here for Joe.
Please, my in-laws, calm down.
Papa, now they call us in-laws. We're no longer in-laws. What is happening here? Eh? What is going on here, Papa? What are these people doing here? I am asking, what are these two Agboro Park doing here?
So Amobi, you're pretending as if you don't know why we are here. Huh? Go inside and ask your stupid junior brother to come out here.
Why? What? Come on, where do you think you're going? You're pushing. You're pushing my push. Which one is you?
Leave my...
Mama, we shouldn't have allowed Brother Emeka and Brother Chinga to leave this place. Eh? I'm afraid of what they will do over there. They might go there now and cause more trouble for me.
Which trouble? They're supposed to be there, so some other time they will not beat you. Eh? It's just to go and warn him. They're not going there to fight.
Do not go there and cause trouble like I'm thinking they might be doing right now.
They will not beat them. They will not beat anybody. What begins to beat them?
You're back. Come on. What happened? Did you see my husband?
We saw him. He saw us and ran into the house. We wanted to go in and get him. His elder brother came out and challenged us.
What happened?
Is that all? That's all that happened.
We beat the hell out of the elder brother.
Good.
Oh yes, I call you
That's very good.
Hey!
bullshit. I call you bullshit.
Why now? Why did you beat him? Why? Did you have to?
I call you bullshit.
They have killed me. They have
Who have killed you? Look at yourself.
Why did you beat him now? Why? You should not have beaten anybody at all.
Sister, that's not possible. Chimeze is even lucky we didn't get him. We will have taught him the lesson of his life.
Oh no! You should not
have beaten anybody at all now.
What is your problem?
They should not have laid the finger on him.
Hey, it is better they did what they did. At least next time, none of them will touch you again. Of course, that is the right thing that they did.
Woman, listen, you don't have to panic. If anybody touches you again in that house, I got clear blue, black, yellow, and green. Bullshit!
I don't want. You people put me in so much trouble. You people put me in so much trouble. Now you put me in trouble.
You don't need to be afraid. Anybody that touches you, we are going to deal with that person. We are here to protect you. Don't worry, I'm going to escort you to your house.
God is good to me.
Woman, you have warrior as brothers.
Should men continue maltreating women?
Mbano.
It is a lie.
You don't need to be afraid. Don't be afraid. Nobody is going to touch you. In fact, if anybody should touch you,
People might disappear for you.
Mama, this kind of trouble now.
You have been dying in silence all this while. You don't want to talk to your people. And they are maltreating you. You kept quiet. Eh? That serves him right. That serves him right.
Ndo, Ihuoma must pay for this. She better remain in that her father's house. Because if she comes back here, I will deal with her. Look at what they did to my husband. Can you imagine?
Those boys are wicked though. They nearly killed me.
But you, why did you go to fight them? You don't have strength. Look at what they've done to you. But it is Ihuoma and I in this house. I'm waiting for her to come back. Stupid woman.
My brother is just lucky. My brother is lucky that they didn't get me more. If they had got me.
What will happen? See. Have you seen my husband, your brother? Have you seen what Ihuoma's brother did to my husband? Have you seen it?
Wait. So Ihuoma has the guts to send her brothers to come to this house to beat me up.
Ifugonian, but don't worry. Let her come back. I will beat her so mercilessly and wait for those useless brothers of ours. Nonsense. Because you knew that you didn't have strength and you went and fought. I'll leave you.
I just want to protect my brother.
You will not shut up.
Papa, I don't know how you want to do it. I don't know the medium you're going to send this message. Whoever you want to send that person to go and tell Ihuoma that I don't want to see her in this house again. She should remain in her father's house. Papa, Anujugum.
I don't want to hear any comment like that again from you. She will come back and we will settle the whole matter.
Papa, there is no settlement in this. We are not settling anything. Ihuoma has the guts to call her brothers to beat me up. Mama. I'm waiting for her marriage.
But you started it. You have no right to beat your wife in the first place. It's me to attend no God in.
Why won't you support her, Papa? Why won't you support her? But what I'm telling you is that tell her not to come back in this house again. Just tell her.
But I thought you are a born-again Christian. What has come over you? You are not used to doing this kind of thing.
Being born again or not being born again is nobody's business. It's my business. Now for my pocket, okay? What I'm telling you is send a message to Ihuoma not to come back to this house again. Because if she does...
She cannot stay in her father's place. This is her home and she has to come back.
Papa.
Yes.
Are you new? Is that what you're saying? Okay. No problem. That's a better.
What is wrong with this boy?
What is Chimeze waiting for? I told him to package this girl gently back to her people.
What are you saying? Are you sure she has not charmed him? Who knows where she went? That girl, she is capable of doing anything in this life. I know that.
Should I go inside and check what they are doing there?
Are you asking? Of course you should go inside and check. I am not meeting Chabaya.
You must leave this place today. Who are you? You must leave this. You must leave it. I will smash you. This is faster.
What is the meaning of this?
Papa, the meaning is that she must leave this house today.
She's not going anywhere. Do you realize the implication of what you are about to do?
See, you must leave this place today.
What is the meaning of this? Give me that back.
Please. Please now, please.
Stop crying. She is going nowhere. She is going nowhere. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. This is my house. Leave the road now. Timothy. She is going nowhere. Come with me. Come with me. Let's go.
Papa,
She is going nowhere. Come inside.
My sister, that is what happened. Are you trying to say that after all this, she still welcomed in? My father-in-law is the architect of everything happening in that house. He never sees anything wrong in whatever she does. Oh. In fact, she is the Virgin Mary we have in that house. I'm telling you.
Are you sure that man's attitude is ordinary?
Think about it. Ne, are you trying to say that?
Yes, now. You never can tell with us women.
I knew it. Ever since I got married into that family, I have not been able to conceive. But that witch, the woman, immediately they married her. Bam! She got pregnant.
The only advice I can give you as a friend is just shine your eyes, my dear. Shine your eyes.
In fact, you have opened my eyes into some certain things that I do not know.
It's better you open it wide.
Thank you very much.
You can see clear.
I'll be going. I'll see you later. Okay, bye. Hey!
If I gonna if I gonna I could you not go okay. I am a fan, baby. If you not gonna say no, I am a piece, baby.
She did not even fetch firewood. And she's out there sleeping.
Family have divided.
Wash plate you not wash. Fetch firewood you not fetch. You know what? Ihoma.
Huh?
You're lying down here. Where is the firewood I asked you to fetch? And what are those dirty plates still doing there unwashed?
Hey, Bossel, please. I'm not feeling fine at all.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling fine.
You're not feeling fine. You're not feeling. How can you possibly be feeling fine? Ilisi Gondoro, say me you're not feeling fine. My friend, get up there and go and wash those plates. Also, I'm not feeling fine. Jackie, Sefilan.
I just told you. I just told you I'm not feeling fine, people.
You want to try me? You want to try me? Get up! What's up? Get up! Get up! What? Leave me! Hey! What's up? Leave me alone now. I say, hey!
Leave me, I'm not feeling fine. Waka, because you injure me.
I don't care. You better get up from there. Go and watch the place I asked you to watch. I bet somebody may take one my email. Please get up and go and watch. You must get up. Get up and go and watch the place. Get up! Hey, the first time I go my email. Get up, oh! You don't want to get up.
Why this pain? Why this agony? Oh, my heart is full of bitterness.
I ask again, what is the meaning of this nonsense? Get in the
Bosso, can you not see that I am in pains? Eh?
Do I look like I care if you're in pains or not? It is none of my business, oh. What is important to me is the firewood I asked you to fetch. You don't want more firewood. See, you have to go back there and get enough firewood. What is all this now? I am not done talking to you. Where are you going to? You will not accord me with respect. Enapu, neku. Kebinaga.
I'll fetch firewood for you, but let me go and rest first. Biko.
When you should rest and when you shouldn't rest. As for now, you are not resting. Go and fetch the firewood I asked you to fetch. Go.
I won't do that.
Eh? Is it gonna?
I said I will not do that. Keyo, what is really your plan? Eh? You want me to have my baby in the bush? Or if
you want to give birth in the bush, after Rebecca, I'm with Jesus. Are you the bush?
Why this pain? Why this agony? Oh, my heart is full of bitterness.
What is it?
The baby's coming. The baby. I think I'm in labor.
See, I'm rushing to somewhere. I don't have time for this now. Please. I just told you I'm rushing to somewhere. Okay. Check. Use this for you to go to the hospital. Help yourself with this. Take. You can manage it. Eh?
Are you going out?
No, I'm coming in.
This baby's coming out. This won't be enough now. This won't be enough to receive.
Wait, see, that's all I have. I'm Mambaka. Yeah, that's all I have. Okay, to position here now.
Don't do this, so. Don't do this, so. My baby's coming out.
I'm going to go to the hospital.
Help me.
of pattern. I never see him before. When I come to see a movie, can you fake it, man? Go be this own man. I'm be mad. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. I'm be mad,
Hey, Chimezia, my brother.
Oh, son.
The only man in my father's house.
I'm Obi. Where are you coming from?
I am coming from a friend of mine whose wife gave birth to a bouncing baby boy.
Oh, how are they?
They are fine, though.
Wonderful, wonderful.
I can see you are coming from the house.
Yes, I want to pick up something from the house and I'm going back to the workshop.
Oh, you are going back to the workshop?
Yes.
There is that thing I told you 2 days ago. If you do it now for me, I will like it. It's very urgent.
You mean the 5,000?
The 5,000 naira. Oh, I need it.
You cannot predict your neighbor's house. Yes, man, she'll be mad. Yes, man, she'll be mad. Nobody knows his neighbor's house.
Thank you. Hey, Chimezia. Imaneda Fumunozo, Chimazi. Obichiruzo, Nabenam. I would have sing a song for you, but when you come back,
Can I go now?
You can go. Jejeli, drive Jejeli. When you come back in the evening, we shall see. Hey. I will use this one now to organize palm wine joint. Let me do some liquidation with my palm wine. Okwego, how can I with them now? Not tapia.
Another case. Another battle. This kind of pattern I never see him before. When I come to see a movie, can you fake it, man?
Hey, stop there. I said stop there. Where do you think you're going to? Eh? What do you have inside this bag? Think, I'm just trying to be a good Samaritan.
What is this under there?
It's just small toiletries and napkins.
What is the meaning of this home? I don't understand. What's the meaning of this?
I should be asking you, are you not a woman?
Oh, I'm a betrono. You're asking me, I'm not a woman. Yeah, you're not a man.
Oh, this is home.
Get him off. Get that agent. Where did you go? Where did you go? Useless man.
What I'm saying is...
I hope you're enjoying the meat.
Very, very, very well. Right. There's enough ingredients inside it and I like it.
Trust me now, I'm a very good cook.
I know you. My elegantus.
I am charging up for you. After this drink and meat. You will know that your wife loves you. And
I will take it to point of no return. I'm equal to the tax.
I trust you. No, you are not a very perfect man, but you see that point, you are very good. You are very, very good.
My elegantus. My delicious. Did Chimezia ask you of his wife?
He did. I told him that she left the house without telling me where she was going.
Good answer.
I'm Jesus.
Okay. My elegantus. My delicious baby.
I'm in the right spirit.
But the right.
I'm Jesus.
Papa, you called me.
Chimezie, where is your wife?
Papa, I don't know. They said she left this house this afternoon and nobody knows her whereabouts.
Is that why you should not be bothered of your wife's whereabouts?
Why should I be bothered of someone that is so stubborn not to tell anybody where she was going to? Why should I be bothered?
Chimezie, your wife left this house since afternoon and has not come back, and you are not bothered.
Anyway, I've been calling her phone and it wasn't going. So what do you want me to do? Should I kill myself? Eh?
Chimezie, go and get your wife. Go and find your wife.
Emeka, I couldn't believe it. This is so sad. Honestly, I don't know what went wrong. Ikenga, so what are we going to do?
I don't know. I'm so confused right now.
I think we need to go to the hospital to find out what's going on. There's no need for that. I have already told you what happened.
My in-law, what happened?
You're asking me? You're asking me? Where is your son, Chimezie? Eh? How could your son be so wicked to abandon my daughter in the hospital? To die? Eh? He just abandoned this girl in the hospital for her to die? Hell, please. When Chimezie comes back, tell him that I said that he is lucky that my daughter is alive. Had it been that anything happened to my daughter, I would have held him responsible. Tell him, after all said and done, he will go to the hospital, stoot the bill, so that they will release the body of his dead son for him to go and bury it. Look at my daughter here. If anything happens to her, I will show you people, Beppe. Two of you.
My in-law, don't go like that.
My
in-law.
Let me use my head and go. Look at your daughter-in-law. Take care of her.
Ihuoma, my daughter, please come with me. Please, come with me. Please, please.
The baby died due to prolonged labor because Chimezie refused to take Ihuoma to hospital on time.
Chimezie, how I hate to hear that name. I thought he's a good man. Mama, we made a very big mistake by allowing him to marry our sister Ihuoma.
Mama, do you know my annoyance? You shouldn't have taken Ihuoma to their house. Rather, you should have brought Ihuoma home.
Ikenga is right. My sister should have come back home. What is she even doing in that house?
I did the right thing by taking her to her husband's house. And I want Chimezie, if anything should happen to my daughter, I will hold him responsible.
Mama,
I want him.
That is not enough. That is not enough. That Chimezie has beaten more than he can chew. He's taking us for granted. All of us.
Chimezie is playing with fire. And I think he wants us to pay him another visit. But I promise him this time around, he's not going to escape us. That fire must consume him.
I will teach him the lesson of his life whenever I set my eyes on him.
Please, please, I beg of you. None of you should go to her house now, in order not to cause more problems for her. Biko, please, I beg of you.
Mama.
Chimezie has beaten more than he can chew.
Hey.
Mama, I am so angry now. What is even going on? How can that Chimezie be treating my only sister as if she's a slave? Why? It's high time we put a stop to this.
Please,
we must put a stop to this. Enough!
Hey!
Ikenga! None of you should go there, oh! Hey!
What is all this? Hey!
Onye wisi akubi obula kuya. Echene balaku. Onye wisi akubi obula kuya. Nkabo kwa another case. Ndi mkwechi. Nkabo kwa another pattern. Ndi mkwenkwe. Mbosala ndi anobi. What is your problem? This kind of pattern I never see am before. When I come to see a movie, can you fucking man? Go be this own man. I'm a be mad. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. I'm a be muddy beggy. You cannot predict your neighbor's house. Yes, I'll be muddy beggy. Yes, I'll be muddy beggy. Nobody knows his neighbor's house.
Chimezie, I told you to stop being worried. Eh? What has happened has happened. Eh? The only thing you do now is to bear the painful loss. Nothing more than that.
Obi, I'm very angry right now. Very, very angry. This incident happened last night and my in-law could not speak for him to get me informed.
Yeah, have you seen?
All she did was to come here and blame me for nothing.
That is what I was telling you earlier enough at the hospital. That woman is practicing witchcraft and she knows what happened to your son. Yes.
If I find out that what you've just said is true, I will kill her.
You are still waiting to verify if what I said is true or not. If you like, believe it too. If you like, don't believe it. But that woman, she's a tropical and very dangerous witch. So, from now onwards, be careful about her. Okwa Makando. Makando.
Wake up. Chimezie, no. I see you're back from burying your son. You must be proud. Let go judge you. Let go judge you, Chimezie. Let go judge you. Let go judge you.
Is it because I kept quiet all this while? Eh? You're yet to tell me what happened to my son. You're yet to tell me.
Didn't the hospital management tell you what happened to your son? How you contributed to it? My baby would not have died if you took me to the hospital the moment I went into labor.
Stop that rubbish. Just stop talking that rubbish. I already know what happened to my son, so stop it. You cannot attract me with this your miserable lies. I already know what happened to my son.
You are the architect of this misfortune. Don't try to deny it. Don't even try to exonerate yourself from it.
Don't even insult me.
I'm not going to judge you.
Because I will not take it from you. Don't even insult me.
What will you do? Hey, slap me now. Slap me like you usually do. Or beat me up. Go ahead, I don't even care. But God will judge you.
God will judge your mother. God will judge your mother first. Yes, God will judge your mother because it's your mother that killed my son with her witchcraft.
What?
Yes. Tell her that I said that. And very soon I will expose all her witchcraft activities. She killed my son. I knew it.
You're a liar. See, my mother is not a witch. She can never be one. It is you. You are the wizard that killed your son.
Resemble them. It's you. Witch.
I will touch you. God will touch you. God. Jesus, God will touch you. Because I did have will touch you for me. He will touch you for me. Let me touch you.
To notice my presence. Can't you greet? So you're trying to make a fool of me by not responding to me. Boy, Iguoma, I'm talking to you. Iguoma, you're trying to make me a fool by not responding to me. What's the meaning of that? Eh? Yeah, I told him I'm only seeing that up here. No, what you get? It's a what you do. What's on? Eh? Give me my cup. What do you mean what is what? So you cannot see me in the morning and greet me. Can I? Eh?
Yeah, my cup.
I will not leave your presence. And I even know what so you don't have respect.
Or by force.
By force.
Is it by force to greet you?
You must greet me. Oh.
What is the problem here?
Papa, look at my cup of water. Mbosso just threw it away. Papa, the problem is that this woman does not have respect. I was married into this compound first before she was married. Yet she will not accord me with any respect.
Is that why you should be fighting?
Is it not enough? Is it not enough for me to beat her upset? Go thank your stars that Papa came and intervened on
Wait. It's okay.
What will you do?
It's okay.
If Papa was not here, I would have beaten
It's
you.
okay.
You wouldn't have done anything. In this house, you will not know peace until you do the things you're supposed to do. You must do the thing you're supposed to do. If not, you will not have peace.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me.
What is wrong with you?
I have never been intimidated in my own husband's house. No matter how intimidation.
Hey!
Nonsense, rubbish.
I called all of you here to talk to you. I do not like what is happening in this house anymore.
Every time, warrior.
Papa, it is a waste of time for you to summon this kind of meeting. Because the problem we have in this house is open.
Oh. It's a lie, Amobi. Your wife is the cause of the problem. Look, for instance, what happened earlier today. Greet me. You did not greet me. Is it supposed to cause a quarrel?
Papa, it's supposed to cause a big quarrel. No, Papa. Oh, why would she greet her? Oh,
I was first married into this compound before her. She should accord me some respect.
It's not by force to greet somebody.
Yeah.
My friend, just shut up. Just shut up.
I will not.
See, if I hear your voice here again, I will give you a dirty slap. I will slap you seriously.
She may see. Anya this wife woman.
Papa,
What is wrong with you?
Baba, you are also causing the problem in this house. Yes. Why would you allow Chimezie to beat this woman and teach her the rest of her life? If you will be supporting her.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
Stop this thing you are doing. Papa, stop this thing you are doing. You are telling her, shut up. Every time you see, everything is about Ihuoma. It's not good.
Mbosolo.
Papa, leave me. Let me talk.
You are talking to me?
I am talking to you, Papa. Ask me now, okay, make a tea. I am talking to you. It is high time all these things stopped. I'm telling you, Papa, stop this thing you are doing. Okay.
Papa, if there is other important issue you want us to discuss, let me know.
There's nothing to say. The meeting is over. As far as I'm concerned.
What about the land?
It is over. And the problem is this for me.
Legacies. What about the land that I discussed?
Follow me.
The land issue, you say can I discuss here?
I told you 2 nights ago that my soap and body cream are finished. Please, I need money to get new ones.
I don't have any money with me here.
It's only 2,000 naira.
Are you deaf? I said I don't have any money with me here. I don't have.
I need money to buy
My husband. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. I hope you slept well.
Very well.
I have actually come to see you.
Okay, what is it?
Our food has finished. There's no soup left. So I need some money to go to the market and buy foodstuffs. This is the list of everything that I want.
No, keep it. Like, how much are we talking about here?
These are expensive. Like 7,000 naira, I will manage.
And you're sure it will be enough, huh?
It will be. I'm not amazed by why. I'm not going to manage you.
Hey!
My husband! Thank you so much.
Wait. For transport.
Hey! I'm gonna give me a Cha-chow!
You said you didn't have money. That's money in your pocket. Chimezie.
See,
you have money now.
Don't break this glass up. If you break it, you pay for it.
I won't break it, but give me money now. Chimezie. Chimezie. Give me money, Chimezie, give me money. To my greatest surprise, my husband gave him worth of 7,000 naira and drove out without giving me a dime.
Your husband gave his brother's wife such amount of money, even after telling you he had no money with him. That is ridiculous.
If I tell you that I have not had my bath since morning, you won't believe it. I have to go and buy this soap so I can at least bath.
Mama, you mean you want to use this local soap for your bath?
Do I have a choice? Yesterday I didn't bathe at all because I thought Chimezie would buy soap for me on his way back, but he didn't. I have to get this.
Ihuoma, you have a choice. You cannot use this soap for your bath. This will be too harsh on your skin.
This is the soap I used to take my bath. If anybody told me Chimezie would be treating me this way, I would not have believed it.
See this 3,000 naira. I wanted to use it to buy something, but you can have it.
No, I don't want it.
Just have it.
Katima.
Just use it to take care of yourself for the meantime. Oh?
Thank you. Thank you. I don't know why Chimezie is doing this. He did not used to be like this. Chimezie was not like this at all. All of a sudden, he has become a different person. He sees me now and it's like he has seen a devil. I can't explain it.
It's okay. Everything is going to be alright.
Look at it. This is the kind of attitude Chimezie put up the last time and I lost my baby in the process. Now look at it again. I started again. Why, Kwan? Why? Eh?
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you going out?
Yes, I'm going for a church program.
Hey.
That was why I came back.
Okay. When are you going to come back?
I might come back late, but I don't really know yet. Why are you asking?
When you come back, ask your wife where she went to in the morning.
My wife?
I think your wife, Ihoma, has started seeing another man outside. My wife told me when I came back from where I went to that she saw Ihoma leaving this compound since morning and came back hours later. Something she has not been doing before. So, my wife is suspecting that Ihoma has a man somewhere outside.
My wife?
Yes, and I'm not doubting her. I know I told you from the onset that you married from a very wrong family. I told you. So, ask her. And don't ever try to accept whatever reason she's going to give you. Of course, him and not going to defend me. So, that is it.
It's okay. Till I come back.
Nobody knows his neighbor's house. I'm a be muddy, baby. You cannot predict your neighbor's house. Yes, I'm a be muddy, baby. Yes, I'm a be muddy, baby. Nobody knows his neighbor's house.
Well, gradually, don't go and start getting worried over this girl. My accident.
You left this house since morning. Can you not tell me where you went to?
I went to Ogadema's house. She came back from the city yesterday.
The worst thing you can do to yourself is to lie to me. Just tell me the truth. Where did you go to?
I just told you.
I was suspicious of what I was told about you. Then I found this in your handbag. Where did you get it from?
You searched my handbag.
That's not the answer to my question. Where did you get this money from?
Ogadema gave it to me.
You see your life? You're not lying to me. You're lying to your husband. You have the gut to tell me that Ogadima gave you this money. Now tell me, who was the man you went to have a date with this morning?
Kim. No. I had a date. With who? Chibisi, what is this? Who is feeding you all this nonsense?
Mama, you better start talking to me. Where did you get this money from?
I already told you, Chibisi. Please give me my money.
You still have the guts to ask me to give you the money. Yeah? Now you better start talking.
Give me my money, please.
I should do what? Are you still asking me about the money? Eh? Are you mad? Eh?
Your husband did this to you?
Yes, he did. Chimeze beat me up when I insisted that he should give me my 3,000 naira. He did this.
Why is he behaving like this? I thought he's a born-again Christian.
I honestly do not know what has come over my husband. He wasn't like this before. Chimeze didn't used to behave like this. I am confused. These days, all who want to go
Ihoma, you have to be very careful with him. Look at me, what are you on him? One day. Eh?
Mbosolo and her husband will never know peace for denying me peace in my marriage. They're the ones deceiving him. It's Mbosolo and her husband.
Mbosolo is very wicked. How can one person be this wicked? How? Does she want to marry the two brothers? Anyway,
what will you do? Can you hear me? What will you do? I'm asking you that question. I'm a Chipano God. Get out of here. Are you stupid? You're talking to me, my husband. Who are you? What are you, my dad? Someone leave me. You take my friend. It's something wrong with you. Are you my friend now? Hey, bring somebody to come and help me now. I'm not. What's because you're doing this now. Please, my friend.
Before I knew what was happening, Mbosolo jumped at my friend and attacked her. Papa, warn Mbosolo for me. Warn her because I have had enough of this.
Hey! Papa, enough is enough in this house.
It is, oh.
Ihoma is the problem we've been facing in this house. Now it has gotten to a point where a stranger from nowhere will come here and have a fun and fight my wife.
Hey!
You never forget, man.
Amobi, that is not true. That is not true.
I've always known it. I've always known that you will be on her side. In as if that is not true, were you there? In heaven.
Ihoma has told me everything. And I know how troublesome your wife could be.
Yeah, I forget now. Mama, Mbosolo, troublesome. Nudiana, Makiboma, Opagi.
Papa, so this is what you want to say in this matter?
Shut up and listen to me.
Yes, sir. I have heard you. Don't worry. When Chimezia comes back, he will decide whether this girl will stay here or not.
But you will not chase me out of my husband's house.
Hey.
You won't.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I will tell you not more than Eh? Consider yourself married before. Begin to count your steps gradually. Oh, sorry. Papa said I should shut up my mouth. I will open my mouth when Chimezia comes back. Papa, no. Let me shut up.
You will suffer.
It is you that will suffer.
And I said, Papa said I should shut up. I have shut up.
Papa, you heard what he said. You heard him.
Do not mind him. I will talk to Chimezie when he comes back. Go back to what you have been doing. Eh?
He said I should shut up. Don't worry. My mouth will open until when Chimezie comes back.
Ajonwa.
Yeah, hello? Nonso? How are you? It's okay, I'm fine. Nonso, see here. My car just broke down on the road. That road that leads to my house. The path road. Yes, there. Please, are you coming now? Nonso, please, be fast. Oh, I'm here all alone, I beg. Please, be fast. Oh, I'm waiting. Okay, thank you. What is going on? Just yesterday, one of my engines broke down at the workshop. Now, this. I don't know what is the problem.
What happened?
I drove to this place. All of a sudden the car went off.
Open the bonnet, eh? Open the bonnet, let me check something.
Did I start it?
No. Mason, there's a problem, oh.
How? What is it?
How you loaded this car, oh?
How?
Go check out.
Oh, you what?
Engine don't knock.
How come? I checked the oil this morning before going out.
See now.
You see? How come?
That's the thing now. The engine don't knock now.
How did it happen? I checked this thing before going out this morning.
I don't know. I see. I need to get to the workshop. I left a customer there. Understand? So I have to start going.
No, so you can't leave me here. What are we going to do about it?
Just lock your car. I will call someone that will come and tow the distance for you tomorrow.
No, so let's just.
Don't lock it. Don't worry.
What is going on? That is how one of the engines in my workshop just broke down yesterday. What is going on? God.
What is the name of that guy?
Oh, okay. You are here.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah? You are here. Mama again, no one again. Because they have come again. Your mother and your brothers, they've come with their witchcraft. Go to the backyard and see the big python that just entered this compound. Go there and see yourself.